Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today we talk about how to say and write meditation in Chinese. In Chinese we say míngxiǎng, míngxiǎng. Ming means voidness, emptiness, or in death, something deep. Xiǎng means to think, thought. So altogether, míngxiǎng is to think deep or to think in voidness. So this is meditation. All right. So you can see how these two characters are written on the right hand side of the video. I hope you enjoy it, and please check out other videos as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. There are other Chinese characters in this channel that are about Chinese Zen Buddhism, so you may be interested as well. So please check them out. Alright, so I'll see you soon. Bye.